Hello there! So today we have a very special product to try out, and it's a little bit dangerous because I could burn my eyebrows off and then look like a fool tomorrow in the office. So we will see how this goes, but I'm very excited to try it out, so I just cannot help it. I cannot wait. I have to do it right now. I got this from the Czech Revolution retailer, but I didn't find it anywhere on their website, like the international one, so I'm not sure if this is legit, but I hope it is. So this is the Revolution Laminate Your Brows at Home kit. So it's like a brow lamination kit. There are 4 products and 2 applicators in this little pouch. What do we have here? This is the brow glue, then we have the brow lift, then we have brow fix, and then we have brow hydrate. So you get 4 steps, each in a separate bottle, and then you get a little spoolie and whatever this fluffy pointy thing is. And then on the inside, I assume there's gonna be a manual. Thank God there's a manual. I never got my brows laminated because it's pretty expensive, so I never really wanted to give the money for it. I also thought about getting like a DIY brow lamination kit when we were kind of like, you know, sitting home and not doing anything. You know, the reviews were very mixed and there was always someone with like burnt skin, and it's just not worth it, you know, buying shit that doesn't seem legit. So I thought, you know what, Revolution wouldn't do me dirty, right? Right? So we're gonna check this out. The thing is, it's pretty expensive, and it was 600 crowns, which is like, it's a lot of money. So I kind of hope these are gonna be for more than one use. This is the brow glue. Looks like a lash glue pretty much. This is the brow lift. Okay, it comes with a little bottle with a pump, and I assume the last 2 are gonna be the same. Also the bottles with a pump. Everything is labeled, which is good. The chance of me burning my eyebrows off slowly getting down, which is good. Thanks for the cling film, me. I think we're all set. So I did have something in my brows earlier today, so I'm just gonna remove it. I think I'm gonna clean my palette and use it. She's all nice and clean. This is our before. So we're gonna start off with the brow glue. I'm gonna brush them up a little bit. Using the micro tip applicator wand, apply the brow glue in upwards direction onto clean eyebrows. I think the glue is on. I can feel it getting like sticky and crunchy. I hate that. Brush on lifting solution. That smells like shit. Oh my god. Okay, I've got quite thick brows, but not like the thickest. I cannot really imagine people doing this if they have like super thick brows. Like, how on earth would you do this? Second brow, let's go. Okay, so what happened? I applied. It seemed like there is not enough, so I went in again, and then I thought it's not like up enough. So I went in with a clean spoolie to, you know, try and lift them up more, and then I applied more. So I've been doing it for too long, and I probably applied too much. So let's see what happens. But it looks like there's quite a lot of product, so I think this is totally gonna be like redoable multiple times. And now I'm sitting here with a piece of fucking plastic on my face, feeling like an idiot. Okay, yeah, so I think that like the super impressive part where you make the caterpillars and you stick them to your face is gonna be the next one, yeah. This is not pleasant in any way, but I have not experienced any irritation with a glue or with a brow lift. There we go, 4 minutes in. So far, they don't really feel like anything. So now let's go to step 3. So I'm gonna pump a bit. It doesn't smell good. It's this little gloop of something. This one looks a little bit thicker. I think we need more. Okay, I think I might have applied a little bit too much. Plastic wrap saves the day, doesn't it? Okay. I think my eyebrows just don't really want to be laminated because, you know, the front bit kind of stays up and then all this just doesn't. Okay, so I think we can take it off. Not gonna lie, it's kind of gross. I'm gonna take a cotton pad and just wipe it off. Because that's what you're supposed to do, gently. Now I think you should go to step 4, which is the hydrator. Yeah, so once all product is removed, brush brows back into place. I'm gonna take a little bit of that serum and just tap it in. I'm not sure it did anything really. This might need a little bit of practice because I don't think this is the result I should have gotten right. Okay, like, is there a difference or is there not a difference? I can't tell. Okay, so this is our after. I don't know if I see a difference. Okay, let's go over this first impressions thing, okay. 1 plus, it didn't irritate my skin. My skin is perfectly fine. It feels just a little bit sore at places, but it's fine. It's very easy to use, that's also a big plus. And these bottles are actually quite big. I don't know how many more times I will be able to use this, and I think I would maybe appreciate see-through bottles because now I have no fucking idea how much of anything I have. Yeah, I mean, it's quite easy to use. It doesn't take long. Like, if I wasn't talking through this, I would be done in like 12 minutes. It's nice to use, it's easy and everything, but did it really do anything? Like, I've never done this. Okay, so I'm not sure if I did everything correctly. If I didn't, please let me know, so I can maybe fix it or try again maybe. I'm a little confused. The brows don't feel sticky or anything. They don't really feel, you know, like there's anything different. So I don't know what to think now. If I brush them in like the right direction, they seem a little fluffier. But I don't know, yo. Yeah, maybe I should give this another shot. I'm not sure. Do you feel like there's a big difference? I mean, let me know. If I did any mistakes you saw, let me know, because I want to learn how to do this properly. If there's a chance it's gonna work for me, I want to know. That was it. That was me testing out the Revolution Lamination Brow Kit. Thank you very much for watching. Consider subscribing. If you saw anything bad, let me know. And I'll see you next time.